everyone! It's me, Ryder, and I'm trying to find the mission pups. Can you help me find them? Great! There are a lot of eggs at the lookout tower, and I wonder what's inside of the mission cruiser. More eggs! Ooh, Ryder, we better check those eggs and see if we can find the mission pups! That's right, Fizzy, let's get cracking and try to find the mission pups. What's inside of this pink egg? It's a pink troll. It's Poppy. Let's go ahead and grab this blue egg. I wonder who's inside. It's Chase, and it's Mission Chase. Hooray! And he wears blue, just like our blue egg. Let's go ahead and check this pink egg. Sounds like someone's in there. Yay, it's Skye, and she wears pink just like our pink egg. Okay, there's a green egg in here. Who's inside? It's Rocky, and he wears green just like the green egg. Well, it's pretty easy to find the mission pups, but we're out of eggs, so we better check the lookout tower. Look at these eggs on the slide. Let's check them and see if we can find more of the pups. Up first, we have a yellow egg. Is someone inside? Yes, but it's not a pup. It's Doc McStuffins, and she's a little bit squishy. Let's go ahead and check this white egg. Who's inside? We found Marshall, and Marshall is a white pup. I wonder what's in this blue egg back here. Who's inside? It's Peppa Pig, and she's not wearing her red dress. She's wearing a purple dress, and look, it lights up. Let's check out this teal egg. Who's inside? It's Papa Smurf. That's not a pup. Here's a green egg back here. Is there a pup in here? Nope, that's Mickey Mouse. How you doing, everybody? We better keep checking the slide. Who's in this yellow egg? It's Rubble on the double, and he wears yellow just like our egg. One more egg left, and it's white. And we have all the pups except for Zuma. Zuma, are you in here? Uh-oh, that's not Zuma. It's Donald Duck. Well, where is Zuma? Oh, you need to look on the top of Lookout Tower. There are more eggs up there. There are? Let's check the top of Lookout Tower. There are more eggs. Okay, Zuma. Are you in this green egg? Oh, that's not Zuma. It looks like a little lamb with a bobblehead. And look, this little lamb has an ice cream cone on her dress. Zuma, are you in this white egg? Let's find out. That's not Zuma, that's Owlette from the PJ Masks. Okay, just 2 more eggs left. Up next we have a teal egg. Feels kind of heavy. Must be Zuma inside. Are those Zuma feet? No, it's Spider-Man. And he's shooting webs. Okay, this is our last egg. And guys, it's orange. Who wears orange? Zuma does! Here's little Zuma. Okay, pups, it's very important that you hop in your vehicles right away. Here's a green vehicle. Who does that belong to? Rocky! See you later, Rocky. There's a blue vehicle. Who does that belong to? Chase! See you later, Chase. There's an orange vehicle. Who does it belong to? Zuma! See you later, Zuma. Here's a red vehicle. Who does it belong to? Owlette? Well, she is red, but it belongs to Marshall. See you later, Marshall. It's a yellow mining cart. Who does it belong to? Rubble on the double. See See you later, Rubble. There's a pink and gray motorcycle. Who does it belong to? Yes, Skye. It belongs to Skye. See you later, Skye. There's a black skateboard. Who does it belong to? That's right, it belongs to Ryder. See you later, Ryder. Oh, this was so much fun learning colors, and look at all these new friends we have. I'll see you next time. Whoa, that is a lot of eggs. Let's get crackin' and see what's inside. Up first, we have Susie Sheep. She's on an orange egg. What's inside? It's Skye! And Skye is a little finger puppet. Let's make an orange elephant. Here's our elephant. Up next we have George, and George is on a blue egg. What's inside? It's a little George Mash'em. He's super squishy and stretchy. Let's make a blue snowflake. Here's our blue snowflake falling from the sky. It's Tracker on a green egg. What's inside? It's Rocky, and he's super shiny and squishy. He's also pretty stretchy. Let's make a green hippo. Here's our green hippo. Up next we have Skye, and she's on a pink egg. What's inside? Hey, it's Marshall, and it's Mission Marshall. That means he needs his Mission fire truck. That's better. He's gonna roll over to our Play-Doh. Whoa! Let's make a big pink Peppa. Let's see how Peppa looks. There she is. We have our pink Peppa. Up next we have Rubble on the double, and he's on a yellow egg. What's inside? Hey, it's Skye. We have two small Skye puppy dogs. Let's make a yellow pineapple. Here's our yellow pineapple. Up next we have Marshall, and he's on a yellow egg. What's inside? It's Super Pup Zuma! This Zuma is very squishy and so stretchy. Let's make a yellow Romeo. Here's Romeo. Okay, Romeo, be sure you behave. Don't steal any of our eggs. Our next egg has Peppa, and it's a pink egg. What's inside? It's Chase, and Chase is a finger puppet. Let's make a pink Hello Kitty. Here's Hello Kitty. Up next we have Mandy Monkey on a green egg. What's inside? It looks like Rubble and Chickaletta. Here's Rubble on the double wearing yellow. And here is Chickaletta. Time to make a green frog. Here's our green frog. Up next, we have a blue egg. And Chase is on our blue egg. What's inside? It's Zuma. And Zuma has his hovercraft. Whoa, there he goes. Let's make a big blue race car. Here's our race car driving so super duper fast. Up next we have Chickaletta on an orange egg. What's inside? It's little Peppa Pig. And this Peppa Pig is a microlight. Let's make an orange penguin. Here's an orange penguin waddling around. Up next, we have Zuma. And Zuma is on an orange egg. What is inside? It's Susie Sheep, and she's wearing a red and white striped shirt. Let's make orange cherries. Here are the orange cherries. They look delicious. Up next, it's Daddy Pig, and he's on a blue egg. What's inside? It's little Everest. Let's make a blue Mickey Mouse. Here's Mickey. Well, hello everybody. Up next we have Ryder. And Ryder is on a green egg. What's inside? Rocky was in our green egg, and this is Mission Rocky. So that means Rocky needs his green Mission recycling truck. Perfect! Now Rocky is all set. Here he goes. Let's make a green dinosaur. Here's the green dinosaur. We should put him close to George. He loves dinosaurs. Up next we have Everest. And she's on a pink egg. What's inside? Rubble on the double, but he's a little peg. He looks kind of funny. Let's make a pink strawberry. Here's our delicious pink strawberry. Up next we have Mayor Goodway. Where's Chickaletta? Oh, don't worry, we have Chickaletta. Okay, it's time to see what's in this yellow egg. It's Peppa! And it looks like Peppa's ready to have a party. Let's make a yellow mater. Here's our yellow mater driving by. Our next egg is yellow. And look, Grandpa Pig is on it. What's inside? It looks like Marshall and Marshall's fire truck. There goes Marshall. He's all fired up. Let's make a yellow bunny rabbit. Here's our yellow bunny, jumping along. Up next we have Katie, and she's on a pink egg. What's inside? It's Danny Dog, and he is very squishy and stretchy. Let's make a pink turtle. Here's our little pink turtle, moving very slowly. We now have a green egg, and Rocky is on our green egg. What's inside? Look, it's Marshall. 2 Marshall keychains. He looks surprised here and happy here. Let's make another green dinosaur, but this time it will look like this. Here's our cute little green dinosaur. Robo-Dog is next, and he's on our blue egg. What's inside? It's Rebecca Rabbit, and she's wearing a blue dress. And she's very squishy and stretchy. Let's make a blue Stitch. Here's Stitch. He's from the movie Lilo and Stitch. Our last egg is orange, and it has Mommy Pig on it. What's inside? It's blue Super Pup Chase, and he is squishy and stretchy. Let's make an orange giraffe. Here's our orange giraffe. We found so many cool toys and made a lot of fun Play-Doh creations. Let me know in the comments which color is your favorite color.
Ooh, my favorite color is blue, just like my stripes. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, if you would like to watch more Fizzy fun videos, click on this